Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. Today's video, we're going to be looking at a new KLEIN Tools Connect set that they sent me out, and I believe this is one that a lot of you have been waiting for based on comments on other videos and things that you've said, and that's because this one is Connect S, which is that smaller quarter-inch type size drive, but it also has metric sockets in there. That's what a lot of you have been waiting for, so this is kind of like the equivalent of what I've said in my other videos is my most used set, and then also I think the most useful set of the bunch. That's the 65302KNECT. That's because this is the Connect M set that has the metric SAE ratchet screwdriver handle, all those things. This is actually on sale right now for like 80 bucks at Lowe's. Well, this is essentially that Connect S equivalent to that, and it's 65302KNECT. This right now currently is going to run you about 90 bucks. I've seen it on Amazon. I've seen it on Acme Tools. I'm sure it's going to be at Lowe's. But not only is it just a Connect S equivalent set to that Connect M, it also looks like they've changed some stuff on the sockets. They put in their better bits. There's just some other things in here that might be what their Connect sets are going to look like moving forward that I think are a little bit of an upgrade. So I'll show you all those things. I'm also going to show you some of the other tools that the Connect S works with that the Connect M doesn't unless you buy an adapter. I'll show you that as well. But let's go ahead and look at the outside of the package. Again, part number is 65302KNECT. There's your SAE and metric sizes that are going to come inside there as far as the sockets. Here's your bit sizes over here. Again, I'm not going to read through those. You can pause and zoom in if you want to. There's the entire back of the package if you want to check that out, and then you can see made in Taiwan. But that's the package. I'm going to go ahead and get it out of the package, show you the features, show you what's in here, and then you can decide if you want to pick this up. So out of the package, I'm going to go ahead and cover the Modbox case real fast, just real briefly. I know a lot of you know how they work, but this might be your first video of watching a Connect set. So the Modbox case, they're very nice. They've got multiple different sizes. They all stack and lock into each other. But as far as opening and closing, you have this spring latch right here. You can see I can press that forward, it springs back. So to open this, I just have to push it over, lift up my lid, then I can access that. Whenever I want to shut it, I just have to press it back down. It automatically springs back and forth. And then to stack them together, you just take these tabs right here, line them up on any other Modbox that you have, just like that. And then whenever you push them together, you're going to see this back here click into place. And then they're stacked together. They're not going to come apart until you come back here and press in on that. Pull them apart. So very nice case option in my opinion. I actually love how these stack in the drawers in my truck. I run multiple Modboxes inside of my truck all the time. But now let's go ahead and check out what's inside the case. And it's got all the same features, like I said, of my Connect M set. I've got the screwdriver handle, the ratchet, I've got the extensions. There's two glaring differences whenever I look at this set versus any other Connect set that I have. And that's the quarter-inch bits right here. You can see they're black impact rated with that orange, kind of their newer style bits, versus all my other Connect sets just have the standard bits like this in it. So they've kind of upgraded the bits a little bit. And then the biggest difference to me is whenever I look at these sockets, they look totally different than any other Connect set that I have. We look over here at the 65400 set. If I want to know what size I'm getting into, they are stamped on the case. Like, I don't know if you can see that, but there's a 10 right there. But in order for me to actually see what size that I want, I kind of have to tilt the case like this. I can see 10, 11, 12. I pull out the socket. There's no color coding or anything like that. So this layout is okay, but it's very hard for me to kind of figure out exactly what size that it is that I'm grabbing. But if I come over here to this new set, they're all laying flat. So once I get all the sizes actually turned where I can read them, you can see how easy it is to see, you know, here's a 10, there's 11, 12, 9. And then even if I can't see it, I could go to the color coding, like this is a 5/16 because it's yellow. If I actually look at that, you can see 5/16 right there. So it's nice because it's easier to see in my opinion. It might be because they're smaller, they've got more room because this is the same size case as that one. But I do like the layout. I do like the color coding. Maybe this is what they're going to go to on all the future, you know, Connect sets whenever they bring these out. That's the main differences. Other than that, whenever you get into it, it's basically just a smaller version of this one right here. So if we get out the screwdriver handle of the Connect S set versus the Connect M, you can see how much smaller this one is. This is more in line with that of like a, you know, Impact 11-in-1 handle right here versus the Connect M set's quite a bit bigger because obviously bigger sockets, so you're going to need that. Everything else is just a little bit smaller. Like I said, the ratchet's smaller than that of the Connect M set. So there's the Connect M, there's the Connect S, because it's going to take these smaller sockets. So inside this kit itself, you can take this screwdriver handle, put the socket straight in there, use them like that. Have yourself kind of like a hollow nut driver. If you need a little bit longer shaft, you can take this extension, put that in there, put that in there. Kind of gives you a little bit longer shaft to reach in somewhere if you want to. And then other than that, you can also use it as a regular screwdriver. You take the 1/4 inch right here. You can see how this is a little bit longer than all the other sockets. That's because you can take the 1/4 inch, put it in here. It's actually not passed through. It's got a magnet down in there, so you can take a bit directly, put it in the 1/4 inch for a little bit stubbier screwdriver, or take this big extension, put that in there, have yourself a little bit longer length screwdriver as well. And you can still also put this in there if you just want to run a socket like this for some reason, and it be a little bit maybe shorter than what that one is. You probably wouldn't end up using that one that much, but it is an option that you can do. Let me go ahead and put these back in. And then of course with the ratchet, you can take the sockets, put those directly in there, have yourself a pass-through ratchet, or use this extension. It's not going to make you a deep well because you're going to bottom out. Actually put that in upside down. You're going to bottom out right here on a bolt or something like that, like the head, but it does give you more reach to get into somewhere where maybe you can't get in with that stubby. So it's still a very useful thing. And you can also use this to make your ratchet work with your regular sockets outside of your Connect set if you want to. So pretty much, again, what I said about this set a long time ago, very useful. There's really not anything you can't do with it. It's just kind of limited because it's a little bit bigger. If you want a smaller ratchet, smaller screwdriver, those kinds of things. And where this really shines, in my opinion, let me go ahead and get all this stuff put back in. Where this really works out nice, having the Connect S set, is if you're already in the KLEIN tools like ecosystem of just tools in general, like Impact 11-in-1s. You do have to have a newer version of the Impact 11-in-1, but the Impact 11-in-1 ratcheting screwdriver, if I take out this shaft or the Impact 17-in-1 as I have right here, which is a screwdriver I run in my bags, I can take that out. Basically, if you have a screwdriver that has this in there, and if you look in here and if you've got a 12-point, 1/2 inch inside of there, you can take all this Connect S stuff and put it directly into, like, here's your 17-in-1, Impact 17-in-1. I can use all the sockets, anything that's in there, I can use that in this screwdriver handle. So maybe I want to have the bit holding capability right here and use all that stuff and maybe not have to use this screwdriver, or maybe I want to use this screwdriver with a bit and then set up a socket on this one. However it is that you want to go about it. If you've got some other tools that already have this, you can use it. Or if you have a ratcheting Impact 11-in-1 like this one here, same exact thing. Again, I can take this extension, pop that in there, take this 14mm socket, pop that in there, and now I've got a ratcheting hollow nut driver if I want to use that in that way. Works the same on the Impact ratcheting stubby. It's got that same piece in there. If I look here, I've also got the 12-point 1/2 inch, so I can take the 9/16, throw that in there. Now I've got a little stubby little nut driver as well. So again, if you're already in like the KLEIN ecosystem of the 11-in-1 type screwdriver, 16-in-1, 17-in-1, any of them that have that right there in it, and again, has to have the 12-point because some of the older 11-in-1s don't have that. You can use all your Connect S stuff in those screwdrivers without any sort of adapter whatsoever. Now, if you're already in the Connect M, that's not going to work with those. But maybe you've already bought that set, and again, it's $80, and you don't want to spend another $90 to get a very similar set, just a little bit smaller. You can buy the Connect S to Connect M adapter, which allows you to basically put this inside of all those same screwdrivers that I just mentioned, and then use these sockets over here in that same type of way. It's just a lot fatter of a deal going on up here, so it depends on if you need like to get into a smaller space or something like that, but it is an option, for you to be able to do it. They do have an adapter that does that now. But other than that, again, that's the KLEIN 65302KNECT. I know a lot of you have been waiting for it, for those metric sockets To me, if I have a socket set, I run into both all the time, whether it's metric or SAE, because I put a lot of furniture together, I hang a lot of TVs. A lot of the hardware that comes with those is always metric. And then typically in the stuff that I actually work on, it's usually SAE type stuff. So I need those as well. That's why that's been my go-to, because I have both of them in the same set. That's why I don't use the other sets quite near as much as that one. But I do like the upgrade of the sideways so I can see the sizes. I do like the color coding, and I do personally feel like those are a little bit better bits. But let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Is this a set that you've been waiting for? Are you going to pick it up? Drop that in the comments below as well. I know a few of you out there probably already have it. Let us know how well it's been working out for you in the comment section. Also, as always, I hope this video was helpful. You guys stay safe. Have a blessed day. I'll see you in the next video.